With spring well and truly on the way, today I'm going to show you my top spring cleaning tips and hacks. We're going to start with the fridge. It's all too easy to neglect your fridge. They get cluttered up, dirty from general use, and spills left unwiped. I'm going through all my old jars, then throwing out anything that's out of date. Then removing the dirty shelves and giving them a good clean with hot soapy water. Put everything back in and group things together, and you'll feel way better about your fridge. And as a bonus tip, you can slice a lemon in half and store it in your fridge to keep it smelling fresh. When cleaning your kitchen, remember to take appliances away from the wall and clean behind them. You can see all these crumbs behind the toaster haven't been cleaned up for quite a while. And when was the last time you emptied your toaster tray? One of the big ones to tackle in your kitchen is your oven. Over time, it can get really grimy and dirty, with food literally baking onto the racks and walls. Check the front door of your oven to see if it has a removable glass panel which you can slide out for cleaning. I removed all the racks as well, and gave them a good clean with hot soapy water. And I cleaned the oven out with oven cleaning spray. I refitted the fresh clean shelf hangers, and a great tip is to keep a clean oven tray at the bottom to collect any spills. Then I refitted the shelves, and there we go. It took about 40 minutes, but it's so much better. You can remove water stains from your stainless steel sink and taps by using whitening toothpaste. Squirt some out onto a scouring sponge and give the whole draining board a good thorough scrub down. Whitening toothpaste is mildly abrasive, so it'll help to polish and remove any stains on the metal. Give it a wipe over with a clean cloth after, and it'll look so much better. I did the same to the sink. This'll really help to remove any food grime and stains, and the other draining boards too. Once it's all wiped down, it almost looks like new. It literally takes 5 minutes, and it makes such a difference. And whilst we're cleaning with toothpaste, you can also use it to clean up your old trainers. These are starting to look a bit grubby, so I'm giving them a scrub with the whitening toothpaste. I'm using a toothbrush, which really helps get in all the nooks and crannies. I worked my way around the front of the trainer, and the other side too. Then give them a good wipe over with a cloth, and you can see how they compare to the other trainer. Pretty clean, huh? It cleaned up really well, and the great thing about cleaning with toothpaste is it makes things smell minty fresh too. When was the last time you cleaned under your sofa cushions? When I removed mine, I found a drink had been spilt down the side, there was a pen, money, and lots of crumbs. You can give it a good hoover, and make sure you get into all the creases and cracks. I wiped the stain off the leather and used a little upholstery cleaner on the fabric. And once that's dry, you can put the cushions back on, and you've got a nice, clean, fresh sofa. Electrical items, like on your TV stand, can attract dust, so try and give them a wipe over regularly. A little bit of polish can help pick up the dust and keep things looking clean. You can see how much was on this shelf alone. And it's a good idea to pull units and furniture away from the wall from time to time so you can hoover behind them. And give the skirting board a wipe over too. I might not be able to do much about the messy cables, but it certainly looks a lot fresher. It's also worth checking underneath your radiators. I pulled a sofa forward to have a look here, and the build-up of dust was quite something. I gave it all a quick hoover and a wipe, It's amazing how quickly dust collects, especially if you're using your radiators to dry washing. And it's also worth checking underneath for missing items of laundry too. And if you need to, you can take the lid from a sauce bottle like this, tape it onto the end of your hoover, and use it for getting into awkward cracks. Most of us wash our bedding pretty regularly to keep them clean and smelling fresh. But every now and again, it's a good idea to wash your pillows and duvet too. Pillows can harbour a whole host of contaminants, from saliva, sweat, oils and dirt. So to wash them, just follow the guidelines on the label. You can make your own glass cleaner by filling up a spray bottle with equal parts of distilled white vinegar and water. This makes a great homemade spray for cleaning your windows. It removes any grime and leaves them clear and streak-free. It's also great for cleaning mirrors, and a glass shower screen too. You can keep your shower head fresh and clear from limescale by putting it into a Ziploc bag like this and pouring in a load of white vinegar. Then leaving it to soak. This'll help to break down and remove any limescale and dirt. After 15 minutes or so, give it a rinse with water and a quick polish, and it's ready to refit. If you've got a wood stove, but the glass in the doors has become black and sooted up, you can wet a piece of newspaper, dip it in some ash, and use this to scrub the windows clean. The ash is very slightly abrasive. It won't damage the glass, but it will clean off the soot really quickly and effectively, leaving you with nice clean windows again. Perfect for your next fire. One of the best tips I can give you for keeping your home clean and fresh is, rather than giving things just a springtime clean, try to do them more regularly. Put some time aside, maybe do some of these jobs once a month. It only took me a few hours to do all the jobs you've seen in this video. If you want to see some more great cleaning tips, like how to unblock your drains or clean your kettle, you can click on the links. Have fun, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching!